Konnichiwa, Erika desu. Hi, this is Erika and we're going to be studying for the JLPT. So today we're going to do lesson number 8. And here we are going to do nani nani no ni. Please look at 文法1の3. Okay, grammar 1-3. And today we want to do noni. Okay, noni. This is usually used between a sentence and it means although or but. For example, in the last lesson we did kara and node conjunctives with that mean the reason, because something, or because something. So for example, 雨が降っているから傘を持って行きます。Okay, because it is raining, I will go and bring an umbrella. 傘を持って行きます。Or 雨が降っているので傘を持って行きます。They have the same meaning. And we did this in the last lesson. So this time we want to use noni, although. And when we use although or but, usually the rest of the sentence is the opposite of the sentence before. For example, 雨が降っている blank 傘を持って行きません。So it is raining. Although it is raining, I will not bring an umbrella. 傘を持って行きません。You really should, but here, 傘を持って行きません。You do not bring an umbrella. This is very unexpected. Okay, something very unexpected. In this sentence, you use because it is raining, I will bring an umbrella. This is, of course, expected. Something you can expect. Okay, obviously you will bring an umbrella if it is raining. But in this sentence, you want to say 雨が降っているのに. Okay, even though or although it is raining, I will not bring an umbrella. 傘を持って行きません. So if the rest of the sentence is unexpected and it doesn't really match the sentence before, then you can use although or but. Okay, let's look at another example. 毎日練習したから上手になりました. Okay, I practiced every day. 毎日練習 this is practice したから because I practiced every day, I got better. 上手になりました. Okay, this is expected. You can expect this because you practiced every day. Usually, you will get better. But in this sentence, 毎日練習したのに Okay, although 上手になりませんでした. So here, this means although I practiced every day, I did not get better. Okay, this is unexpected. Because even though you practiced, you tried so hard, you did not get better. Okay? So this is how you use noni, although. And please look at the next page, table number 2, 表の2. Okay, 表の2. So when we want to use noni, usually there's either a verb, adjective, not adjective, or a noun, okay, before noni. But you have, like the last lesson, kara and node. We did this before, right? If there is a verb, e adjective, na adjective, or a noun, then you must change the form before noni. So for the verb, it is usually 普通形 or 丁寧形. Plain form or polite form. So, for example, 食べる, to eat. 食べたのに, although I ate it, or 食べるのに. And for e adjective, na adjectives, you do not change the form. そのまま. So, for example, na adjective, beautiful. きれいなのに. You don't have to change it. きれいなのに or痛いのに, for example, e adjective. It hurts. Although it hurts. 痛いのに. So you don't have to change the form. And finally, for nouns, you have to add na. Please add na after the noun, and then add noni. For example, 先生なのに, a teacher. If the noun is teacher, 先生. Although you are a teacher, 先生なのに. Now let's practice. Please look at grammar 1-4, 文法 1-4, and these are sentences using noni. So let's look at the first one. 山口さんは性格がいいのに友達が少ない. So Mr. Yamaguchi has a good personality, but he has few friends. Or, although Mr. Yamaguchi has a good personality, he has few friends. So, good is e. This is an e adjective. いいのに. So, そのまま. You don't have to change the form. いいのに. Number 2. さっきご飯を食べたのにもうお腹が空いてしまった. Although I had a meal earlier, I ate earlier, I am already hungry. So, 食べた. Although I ate, so this is a verb. And 食べた. Dictionary form is 食べる. 食べる, 食べます becomes plain form. 食べた. This is past. 食べたのに I already ate. And number 3. トマトが嫌いなのにトマトスープを注文してしまった. So although I dislike tomatoes, I ordered tomato soup. So although I dislike 嫌いなのに, so 嫌いな, this is na adjective. Again, like e adjectives, na adjective, you don't have to change anything. そのまま, so 嫌いなのに. And let's look at number 4. 谷さんは学生なのにすごく高い車に乗っています. So although Mr. Tani is a student, 学生なのに, he has a very expensive car. So 学生, although he's a student, this is a noun. 学生, student. So for nouns, again you must add na. 学生 plus na and のに. 学生なのに. Okay, now let's go to the next page, number 5. 昨日3時に待ち合わせたのに、大川さんは5時に来たんですよ。Okay, although I was scheduled to meet Mrs. Okawa at 3 o'clock yesterday, she came at 5 o'clock. Okay, so 待ち合わせ。待ち合わせ this means to meet up or schedule to meet up. Okay. So they said, let's meet at 3 o'clock. Okay, 待ち合わせた。待ち合わせた this is actually a short version of 待ち合わせした。待ち合わせする becomes plain form 待ち合わせした。And usually when we say we meet up, you can also say 待ち合わせた。Okay, so this is a verb. And it's short for 待ち合わせする、待ち合わせした。Okay, so this is the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening. Please review your grammar and check your answers in the listening and writing section. And I'll see you next time. Bye.